Who's craving a taste of Latin America? Hi, it's James here. Today on Blogging Good Food, we are making empanadas, crispy pockets filled with savory goodness. We will walk you through the steps from prepping the filling to creating the perfect golden crust. Get ready to impress your taste buds. Let's break this down into easy steps. Prep the filling. We will chop up some veggies, potatoes, carrots, celery, and onion. Then we will brown ground beef with the veggies. Don't forget the garlic. Spice it up. While the filling cooks, we will add a delicious blend of spices, tomato paste, cumin, chili powder, cinnamon, and pepper. Make the dough easy way. We will use a food processor to combine flour, salt, and butter. Then we will add egg and water to bind it all together. Roll and cut. We will roll out the dough and use a bowl or a cookie cutter around 6 inches to make circles. Fill and seal. We will place some filling in the center of each dough circle. Then we will carefully fold and seal the edges. You can use a fork or try a fancy fold. Bake the perfection. We will brush empanadas with egg wash and bake them until they are golden brown and delicious. That's it. You have made your own empanadas. Here are some extra tips. You can use any type of meat you like in the filling or even go vegetarian. Leftover filling is great for scrambled eggs or another batch of empanadas. Don't overfill the empanadas or they might burst open. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, subscribe to our channel for more yummy food ideas. Check out our website for more recipes and tips.